Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
I am also fine. Thank you for asking.
That's great. So, Neha, would you introduce yourself?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. So, as you know, my name is Neha and I am from Uttarakhand. As far as my education is concerned, I'm postgraduate and right now I am married and it's been 1.5 years that I have been working on my communication skill. So, and recently I have started my YouTube channel. So that's all about me.
Yeah, that's great. How about you? Okay, so Neha, let me introduce myself. My name is Varsha and I hail from the snowy and scenic beauty of Himachal Pradesh, but currently reside in Punjab with my family. And as a language enthusiast, I started my YouTube channel focused on English conversational videos. Yeah, that's a little about me. Okay,
Okay.
so
Mhm.
Neha started a series for those who are just thinking about learning English, but they are not able to take first step towards learning. So my question is that when did you think about learning English and how did you start your English journey?
Okay, so ma'am, it was quite a long time, as I have already mentioned that it's been 1.5 years. So actually, after my marriage, I was totally occupied with my household chores, and so at the same time, I was concerned about my future. I always thinking about my future. But if I talk about the English, I always inadequate myself. I thought that it would be better to take first step into this language. It will be better for my uplift to my self-esteem, and as well as in future I can provide good quality of education of my kids. So in the very beginning, my intention only was that, and I just started, basic grammar. So and it was 2 and 3 months, and after that I stumbled upon a conversation video which is made by Housemaker. So that video, made me means the video fascinated me a lot, and I thought that I should do something like that. And then I started, conversation in audio call. So but it was an easy journey. Throughout my journey I encountered so many troubles. I had a lot of self doubts, but right now I am at this position. I can talk with anyone, and I am pretty much comfortable with talking with strangers.
Yeah, that's great. Like, okay, as you
Yeah,
told me that you have started with grammar, right?
yeah.
So
Mhm.
that what was the things that you have learned in your initial stage from the grammar?
Ma'am, if I talk about my education, I completed my all education from Hindi medium. So it was more challenging for me because I started basic grammar, means, tense and, conjunction and, adjective, adverb and passive, these things. And means I had zero idea where should I start, but I started from zero, noun, pronoun, and these I have started. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's important, Neha, whenever we don't know where to start, how to start. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
this series because most of people they don't know how to start. But yeah, this is the
Yeah.
that you have taken. At least you have started your journey. So that's great.
Yes.
Okay, so tell me something about vocabulary as well because it plays a vital role while we are speaking in English. So how do you learn vocabulary and how do you use that vocabulary in your communication?
Okay. So, ma'am, since if I talk about since a couple of months, I was kind of person. I listened a lot because while listening, I was very comfortable and I felt that I am learning. But when I started this application and while connecting with people in a video call, so my mind just got stuck at a one place, and I was thinking a lot. Means I forget, what, and I thought that I just wasted my time. So, but these days I am into in reading, and when I get a new word, I am just write down. And while listening, when I get a new word, so I just write down. And the entire day, while doing household chores and means when I engaging my work, so at that time I just keep remembering those words and try to make sentence on that word. So it is helping me a lot.
Okay, this is the technique that you are using for enhancing your vocabulary as
Yeah.
well. Important while we are
Yes. Yes.
speaking. vocabulary. As you told me that whenever you were speaking, so you got stuck because you don't
Yeah,
have words. If you have sufficient words, so you will not get stuck in future.
yeah,
Okay, so
yeah, yeah, yeah.
something about pronunciation as well, because earlier it was not like that, but nowadays pronunciation is like essential for all of us, that when we are speaking. So how do you
Mhm.
improve pronunciation as well?
Ma'am, honestly, I don't do anything for pronunciation. I'm just, I'm just speaking, in my way. Oh, yeah,
Okay, that's great,
yes,
because
yes,
we are learning. So I don't think so that we have to do or we have
yes,
to give more focus of pronunciation, because when we are confident about our speaking, so then we can learn. Definitely it will take time,
yeah.
because we are accustomed to
Mhm.
speak like words, yeah, like plumber. So we are accustomed to
Yeah.
speak. That is not a
Mhm.
plumber. So now
Mhm.
we can speak like we know the about the pronunciation as well. That's great. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes, yes.
uh,
Yeah.
Neha, from your side, that you want to give final tip to our call learners who are just thinking in their mind that okay, they will start tomorrow learning English. So how they can start? Any tip from your side?
Ma'am, pardon.
Any tip from your side? Final tip from your side, that how like people are just thinking about learning English, because whenever it comes to speak English, so it is a daunting task for all of us, that okay, how can I start? English is like a difficult, we can't speak it. So what is the final tip from your side that you can give those people, that at least you can start speaking, how they can start speaking?
Okay, ma'am. So, in my case, when I started my journey, so that time I had a lot of self-doubts. I thought I was thinking that I have to, remember, first form, second form, third form. There are multiple words. How can I remember those? And how can I deal the entire grammar? Because it is a large, means it is a long journey, I would say. But at the same time we need to committed ourselves, because to into when we take any initiative to do anything. So that time, first thing is that we have to clear mindset. We have to have clear mindset so that we can perform well. When we take any decision and we work upon that way. So after certain period of time, we feel that when we face hard section, means when we stuck any certain point of time. So we just thinking that no, it's not my cup of tea. I should I can't do any anymore. So at the same time, so first and all, we need to have a clear mindset that no matter how much difficulties I will face, but I'm just working on it. One day or the other day we will definitely get the fluency, and we will good enough. So I think first thing is that we need to have clear mindset. It is because it is all about our mindset. So I think we should yeah,
uh, Neha, whenever we'll take our first step, so definitely it will be a
yeah,
hard step for all of
yeah,
us.
yeah.
That
Mm,
and there will be a procrastination as well. Okay, I am not able
yes.
to speak. I have to take some time to myself. Then I'll continue. Tomorrow I will start. So when you will
Mhm,
take step, and the another thing is that if you have zeal for learning this language, so definitely you can. And we can say only one thing to our co-learners who are just thinking that this is not a rocket science, that we can't
mhm,
learn or speak. This is just a language that we can learn. You know, the best thing is that even though we know the words of English, okay, in
mhm,
India, people ask me
yeah.
that I don't know word of Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. How can
Mhm,
we learn that language? But yeah, about English, at least we are
mhm,
speaking so many words in our daily routine. So this is the thing that they can learn. And the most important thing is that consistency. If they are consistent about learning, so then
mhm.
definitely. And apart from that, practice as much as you can, and sooner or later you will be able to speak. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so Neha, thank you for giving me your valuable time and sharing insights with me.
Yeah, yeah, it's my pleasure, ma'am.